Hello, Helen here. Welcome to my 2019 Christmas series. Today's card's a super easy one, a nice and quick one. I'm going to be using a red card base this time, and I've got a card panel that's cut slightly smaller than my card base. I'm going to be using this Sue Wilson Poinsettia die set, but you could use any kind of die set that you've got that does poinsettias. And the only other thing I'm going to use is my large alphabet die set. I'm going to use the J and the Y out of that, and then the poinsettia is going to be my O for joy. So I'm going to start by making my poinsettia so that I can then judge where I'm going to place my letters. So I've cut out two of the poinsettias out of the red of the largest die, and I'm just going to stick them together, alternating the petals. But first I just bend the petals slightly just to give them a bit of dimension. So I just stick my thumbnail in the middle of the petal and bend it from behind around my thumbnail. And then once I've glued the two together, I'm just going to put a blob of quite thick glue in the middle and put some of these little gold beads that I've got. Now they're really, really old, but you can use whatever gold beads you might have. And then I can pop that aside to dry a little bit while I get the front card panel organised. So to make sure that I've spaced out the J and the Y, I'll put one of the dies into the centre there, and then I'll work out how much space to put either side of that, stick those down, and then I'll put them through my die cutting machine and cut out the two letters. The next thing I'm going to do is find some Christmas paper that I can put behind the J and the Y. I'm going to use some fairly light colour and green, seeing I've got the red poinsettia, and I'm going to just go through this Christmas Basics paper pack until I find something that's suitable, and then I'll just cut out a couple of the small pieces that will fit behind the letters. I'm now going to do is put some foam, craft foam, on the back of the card panel, just work out where I need to cut around the letters, and then that'll give the card a little bit of dimension when you look through to the coloured paper that's just a little bit lower than that. Usually I use double-sided tape to stick my craft foam onto my card, just for convenience sake with the videos, so it doesn't take too long. But this time I'm going to use glue, just so that I've got a little bit of wiggle time, so that I can make sure I get the letters in just the right place. Now I can stick my card panel onto my card base, making sure it's all even, and then lastly I can stick the poinsettia into the middle between the two letters, and that's really the card finished. How easy is that? And it looks like I forgot to take the double-sided tape off the back of the two paper squares that I put on. Oh well, it's all stuck down now. Too late. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick Christmas card. Do subscribe if you haven't already, so you can catch the other videos in the series. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you for the next card. Bye for now.